high flyers. Thank you. Now this afternoon we are going to take all of you on a flight and journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. Now we hope you to show feeling amazed by bird conservation champions and be inspired to take actions for our feathered friends across the world. Now speaking of feathered friends, I'm sure you have seen some chickens on stage earlier on, right? Now those were our Banta chickens, okay? Now in a very short while we have one more chicken joining us on stage. Now everyone keep your eyes right up there, then hot. Now let's welcome Chucky, our Banta rooster. Chucky! Hi! And a perfect landing. Let's give a big hand! Now many of you might think that chickens cannot fly, but Chucky here has proven otherwise. All the way back home. Okay, so right now we will be highlighting the natural behaviors of macaws, okay? So in the wild, macaws love to congregate on trees to feast on fruits and nuts. Right here on stage we have a tree and of course some food attached right up there. Now let's welcome our birds. Everyone, keep your eyes right behind you. Here comes Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. Gaia, can we shine? There you go, this is Gaia. Go on up and joining from there once again. And here comes Lambo, our scarlet macaw. Now macaws like them can be found in the jungles of South America. Let me go back to Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. He's actually one of the 3 species of blue macaw. So if you'd like to see these birds, please do head on down to the parrot paradise, okay? Now what happens after feasting? These birds, they often fly to rocky surfaces just like these to lick up on clay or chalk. And this will help them with the digestion of any unripe plant fruits or nuts that they have eaten. Now Gaia is still right over there, but not to worry, this will definitely be his next stop. Kelvin, who do we have here?
This is Ippy. Ippy is Jurong Bird Park's Go Green for Wildlife Ambassador. Now he's so environmentally conscious here that he only uses reusable utensils and containers. Now imagine, Sheena, if you are a drink seller,
That's a very hot weather.
and you were to give Ippy a disposable plastic cup. Ippy will return it to you.
Really? Okay, let's see. I've got a disposable plastic cup right
Exactly
here.
like this one.
There you
Okay,
go.
watch this. Ippy, this is a disposable plastic cup. What do you need to do? You see? I told you you would return to the cup.
This with the cup.
Well done, AP. Now this time you change your mind and you were to give him a reusable cup, but you put in a plastic straw. AP will return you a straw.
Okay, let's see. I've got a reusable cup with a plastic straw. There you
Okay,
go.
very good. Right. AP, reusable cup with a plastic straw. What must you do?
He returns me the straw as well.
Well done, AP. Now watch as AP drinks from the reusable cup.
And he drinks straight from the cup. Let's give it a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Well done, AP. Now plastic has actually invaded our waters to the extent that there will be more plastic than fishes by the year 2050. In fact, plastic waste has killed over 1 million birds and animals every single year. That is why they're known as the deadliest monsters of our waters.
Oh no, that is an alarming rate. So we can all fight these deadliest monsters by reducing single-use plastic, okay? So just like if we should reduce straws and other plastics by bringing our own reusable cups and containers when we buy takeaway food or drink. We can also avoid the use of plastics by bringing our own reusable bags when we go shopping. Okay, Calvin, I believe this is yours. Come in.
Yeah.
That's a disposable plastic bag. What does it say? So listen to me now. Reusable bags only, okay? Just like
okay.
this.
I'll help you with this.
Thank you very
Plastic
much.
goes in, the head goes in.
There you go. Let's give it up for Calvin and Ippy, ladies and gentlemen. For Calvin. Yeah.
Oh, so sorry.
There you go. Thank you very much. Okay, so for the next segment, we've got our first volunteer already in position. Now, everyone, keep your eyes at the top. Let's welcome our Toko Toucans. Can you see them? Now, Michael, to this afternoon. There you go. These are our Topo toucans. And they are the largest in the toucan family, easily recognizable by their bright and orange bills. Now, despite having large bills, these birds are very agile in flight. Now, to demonstrate that, Michelle Awad, the toucans are going to fly to our second volunteer, and Slide is also going to fly to our second volunteer. Just kidding, he's going to make his way to the second monitor. And what he's going to do is going to toss out a group each. Way up high for the toucans to catch, okay? Get your video cameras ready, everyone. Son, you ready? Let's just get the attention of the bird first. Alright. 1, 2, 3, hey! Hey! What happened there? He got a little frightened. It's okay, I'm going to get him. Alright, I'm going to focus on the other one. Let's try this one more time. 1, 2, 3, up it goes! Wow! That was a great catch! Where did the partner go? I think he wanted to rush back home. I think he went backstage already. Maybe someone can help me out right here. Okay, let me introduce these birds to you, okay? So that one up there, I think that is... Oh yeah, that is Mr. Axel. The one that went back home first was Mrs. Axel, okay? They are actually our husband and wife. Mr. Axel, why don't you go on the stage? Hi. Oh, something's happening with the birds today. Okay, I'm just going to bring him on my hand once again. Come on, don't be distracted. I'm going to send you back home. Okay, you can join your wife, alright? Come on.
You can go and sit with Uncle now.
Okay. Don't be scared, it's okay. I'm just going to pick him up. Very good, okay? I'm going to send the bird back home, okay? Because the other one looking so frightened. We're not going to force the bird to catch with your hands, okay? Alright, Mr. Axel, your wife is really waiting for you back home. You want to go home? Come on. Alright, you want to do that one more time? Send them together? Yeah, okay. This is Axel, you cheated, huh? Come on. She was a little frightened about something. Come on. Maybe I'll get the partner first. Okay, why don't you join the husband? You guys are very loyal to one another, right? So you have to go home together, okay? Okay. I want to lead the way back home. Come on. This is Axel. Home is not up there. Home is that way. He's a little distracted again. Husband really went back home. There you go. Our Topo toucans, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds. And they do this in the wild for social communication. So the yellow-napped Amazon right here is famous for its ability to copy human sounds, okay? Once again, if you're interested, please do get your video cameras ready. Okay, let's get the microphone so that you can hear the bird well. Alright, let's start with something simple. Shall we say hello? Hello! Ah, nice and do hello, huh? Okay. Alright, you want to introduce yourself? Can you tell everyone here your name? Hello! Did you hear that? His name is Amigo. Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
He's asking, how are you? So how is everyone feeling this afternoon? Good? Yeah, that's very nice to hear. Amigo here is very smart, okay? He can actually count from 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There you go, a perfect 10. How do you know? Who do you know do this so well? Right. I remember him, this is Big John, our Southport Crested cockatoo. He's actually one of the veterans in the show. Did you know Big John here, he's over 50 years old. Wow, that's right, very old buddy. Oh, Big John. Do you want to say something as well? Want to say hello? Say hello. Did you guys hear that? That's a silent word. Big John, hello. Okay, we're not going to force him, okay? Big John, this is me, right? I'm going to carry on with Amigo, okay? So now you heard Amigo counting in English. This time around he's going to count in Chinese.
2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10.
And how? Hello means very good in Chinese. Good job, Amigo. Hi, Big John. Let me go back to Big John and give you some attention, okay? Want to say hello? Okay, actually we're not doing some other sounds like chicken over there. You want to do the chicken? The chicken. What about your laugh? Laugh. Let's do the laugh as well. Let's try the last sound, okay? You want to cough? Cough. How did you do that? Ladies and gentlemen, like I mentioned earlier on, Big John K is over 50 years old, but through the years he has only learned how to pick up 5 sounds, okay? Which is hello, chicken, laugh, cough, and also bye-bye. But one thing about birds like Big John Ratchet, they also love to scream their heads off as well, okay?